This well-maintained, historic home boasts a multitude of unique qualities. First, this grand home-turned-rental property was built in the 1870s and is featured in the historic book Kendallville Families and Their Homes. It also preserves many features original to the home, including hand-carved oak woodwork, hardwood floors, a staircase to the former maids' quarters, and original leaded glass panes in the front bay window. This property is composed of 3 separate rental units. Unit number 1 is the back downstairs apartment and includes a kitchen, living room, 1 bedroom, and a full bath. This unit has basement access as well as a washer and dryer hookup and is not currently rented. The second unit is on the main floor and has access from the front porch, and it is currently rented and features a large kitchen, living room, 1 bedroom, and a full bath. The third unit is on the upper level and also has access from the front porch and is also currently rented out and is complete with kitchen, living room, 2 bedrooms, and 1 full bathroom, and a hookup for a stackable washer and dryer unit. Come and see this amazing property with all of its notable features by scheduling a tour today. Contact Candace Everidge to learn more.